Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Uh, on the bench today I have a drone, a DJI Mavic Pro, which came in the mail today. The owners the drone is working perfectly as it's supposed to. It's just having a problem with one of the engines, not the engine but the motor. Sorry. So let us see if we can fix it. I hope we can. Oh, okay. I see the problem. And maybe the engine is just loose. Maybe it's just I lost its screws. I see the problem. Wait for the next for the part 2, and let us see if we can fix it. Welcome back. Give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I will try to build up this YouTube channel for drone repairs and other electronics repairs. Have a nice day.